Happy birthday, baby. Loves, Ciara Martina. I wish you the best of health.
Hold them close.
Sasa, happy birthday and sana mag-stay ka as you are na parang kaya mo yung sarili mo kahit wala ako ganun like as your ate. And thank you kasi ikaw yung nag-take care kay Ethan nung time na nauna ako sa Manila.
Close. Hold them close. We are the young ones with the heart of fire.
My baby loves, I love you. Wish you all the best. Andito ako palagi sa likod mo. Love you.
Open sky, hearts beat and become alive. Oh, we have it all.
Happy birthday, Sasa, from your favorite bunso and kapatid. I hope na maging lively ka pa rin as always, kahit kanino ka man makasama.
Watch it fly. Time is dancing in the endless sky.
Happy birthday, Sasa! We love you!
Knowing where the days are going.
Happy birthday, anak. Baby love, Ciara Martina. Stay grounded, humble at napakabait na anak yan. Gusto ko lang sanang pagpatuloy niya yung mga ginagawa niyang maganda at success sa kanyang kung ano mang piliin niyang career in the future.
We are the sun, we are the sun. Feel it under the
Thank you for being such an incredible friend to me and to everyone. Here's to more unforgettable moments together. I love you so much, my Pookie. Love, Francine.
Oh, we have it all.
Magiging wise siya sa kanyang mga chosen decision at saka maging mapagmahal din siya sa kanyang mga kapatid. Stay kind, baby. I love you very much. Happy birthday.
With the heart of fire, we are the sun, we are the sun. We are the young.
I love you very much and happy 18th birthday. Enjoy your night and with your friends.
We are the young ones with the heart of fire. We are the sun, we are.
I really love going out with you and I hope to see more of your birthdays together. Yun lang. Happy 18th birthday.
And we come alive.
Listen to your heart and take risks carefully. For the beauty of life is in the unexpected. And getting not always what we want, but what we deserve.
Everything and go in life. Oh, we have it all. Oh, we have it all.
Happy birthday, Bra!
Happy birthday, Sarah!
Happy birthday,
we love you!
Happy birthday, oh baby loves. We love you.
Oh, we have